Oh boy, it's now in the back of the truck. My voice might not be as deep as when I talk about an ego, but we'll see how the 60-volt brushless Greenworks Pro with the 5-amp battery will do. All right, guys. So, give me a little minute. Let me set this up, and we will get started and do a little review on this guy. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Tech made easy with. I'm going to now unbox this Greenworks Pro 60-volt mower, self-propelled mower. Got a 5-amp battery and a charger. Whew, man, box is pretty heavy. All right, well, let's get started. We'll cut this up here and kind of show you what's in the box. All right, I mean, I know you know what's in the box, but for some reason, some people love seeing things open for the first time. So that's what I'm here for, is to show you. Oh, okay. Now, I am going to really talk completely about this Greenworks after doing all of my research, you know, later on in the review. And I'm not going to do any comparison. Afterwards, I will be doing a comparison on the Ego lineup in comparison to this model. I know they make an 80-volt also, but for some reason the 60-volt just seems to be more popular. So you are getting a charger. I'm hoping it's a fast charger. Okay, so it does come with that. It has a little gauge. All right, tells you if your battery is charged, if it's good, if it's bad. So let's put that there. All right. There is the 60-volt battery, 5-amp HC. I think it's high capacity, but I'll do some research. I'll make sure. All right, very square. Okay. Interesting. I'm trying to look at where when it gets plugged in, but I guess it kind of goes in these grooves. All right, let me watch this razor. Huh? So there goes your battery. All right, Greenworks. Okay. Here's our bag. If I can get that out. The bag itself, a little small actually, but yeah, it's honestly a little small in comparison to others that I have used, but all right. I'll put that there. Okay. The mower, getting the mower out of the box. All right, so we'll take out the cardboard, and well, it shouldn't be too bad. I don't like that sound, so let me just try to see if I can lift this up in the box and take. All right, the handle has to be attached. Okay. All right. All right. So the handle doesn't come assembled. Okay, watch the razor around the wires. All right, trying to zoom out as much as I can for you guys. All right, here goes. Lift this thing out of the box. Lay it down. All right, side discharge. All right, comes with a side discharge. Comes with a little card. Put that there. Okay, put that there. Okay, guys, so it does come with a plug, which is a safety plug, I guess. So if it's not in there, I am believing that the mower will not start, I guess, just in case for your children, right? So, and it comes with 2 screws. All right, so looks like, so the plug, if I'm not mistaken, I know I do accents, the plug basically goes in here. If I put it in the right way, is there a right way or a wrong way? There it goes. All right, so there goes the plug, and then you put the battery in. So I'm going to leave that in for now. I've got no children running around. And then check that out. You see that? They call that a feature, where the lid actually closes slowly. I did get some scratches. I don't know where the scratches, you know what I mean? You know, when you buy something new, you're like, I'm taking it back. But whatever, right? No big deal. We're soldiers. As long as it's not damaged and things, you know what I mean? That's kind of what it comes down to. Now, all right, I will put the handlebar on and be right back. Okay, guys, so I guess for some people looking to, you know, assemble this correctly, you need to pull these knobs up in order to get the handles up all the way, okay? Once you do that, you can really tug this wire. There's a wire that's pretty thick, you know, so you kind of almost have to tug that wire and push it in as you're pushing the handle in. So, you'll see here. All right, little by little on each side. Okay, and then you have to screw the, you know, put the screws in. So I'll get that done after. I know it's not fun watching videos of people screwing things in. Now I gotta hope the wire is not in the way to screw this side in. We'll find out. But again, you see this? If you lift this up, you see that? You kind of up and down. This has a couple of positions I will have to play with, but all right. No. And there's the book. Look at that. The book is kind of hidden back there. Oh boy, am I going to need this. Now, I'm usually not the book guy, but sometimes you have to be the book guy. So one book for the mower, one book for the battery, one book for the charger. All right, and then don't forget, you should have the 2 screws that you're going to need to put the handlebar, lock the handlebar in place. I'll get that done. All right, guys, I'm going to charge the battery for a little bit, but as you can see, it does have a fuel gauge. That's kind of nice. It's a nice bright fuel gauge too, and a flashing green, which tells you it's charging. So flashing green charging, solid green, fully charged. Oh, red looks like an issue. Hopefully it won't have any of that. But 4-year warranty on the battery. 4-year warranty on the actual mower. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'll let that charge and we'll be back. All right, guys. So, hey, listen, take a moment and subscribe if you're new to the channel. On the upper right-hand corner there, just click Tech Made Easy. Hit View Channel, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos. Also, please don't forget to hit like. I really need likes. It really helps the channel. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, the next video coming up is going to be a very detailed review of the Greenworks Pro, along with some demonstrations of cutting. So stay tuned for that one.